gardener. Seaway. I don't know what you're saying, but you're gonna go work. That's all I can afford for you. Good luck. Okay.
Alright, sir, I'm done.
Okay, you're going to the back. Then maybe I'll give you your payment. Oh my god, you ruined it. Are you done yet?
Sorry, Jefe, I'll clean it.
Trim the plants, Bean.
Alright, boss, I got it. I finished, boss.
Okay, here's your payment. I'm really rich, but I only can give you $1.
Okay, boss. Is there any more jobs I can do, boss? I really need the money.
You can go to one of my 7 houses and work on it. It's my second richest house. The roof needs fixing, and I need you to do it because you're a beaner.
Thank you, boss, thank you.
Get out of here, trash.
I think that's all I need, fool. Time to get this bread, homie. I need a break, fool. No mames. This fool's calling me already? What? Hey. What the fuck? By the end of the day, fool, that's impossible, homie. Man, I'll try my best. Oh.
Hey, let's go start scouting the hood, fool.
Dale, perro.
Hold on. First food we see, we crack. Alright, I say.
Help me.
Wait. What the fuck is that, fool? No, what the fuck is that? Oh, come on, big boy. Get out of here.
We're about to crack
Come on, man. Help him up, boy. This fool's weird, eh? He's on a sick one. Yo, what we gonna do with this fool? Hey, let's crack this motherfucker. Hey, we gotta dump this fool somewhere. Let me get a bag. Hey, this fool's crazy. We gotta dump this fool in the trash. What's up, homie? Hey, Juan, we got a fool in here. For real? Hey, Kevin Heiner here. What's up, Pat? Oh, man. Hey, can you take this out of the trash for us?
Oh, yeah, I got you.